an open invitation collaboration, doing a little decorating. So if you're interested in seeing what this is all about, you know what to do. Stick around. Hello, I am Stephanie of Creatively Miss Me, and if this is your first time visiting my channel, welcome. I am so glad you stopped by, and if you're an oldie but a goodie, I want to thank you for your continuing support. And you're in the right place if you want to make decorating a bit easier on a budget. And on my website, creatively-missme.com, I've created forms to make planning easier for home organization and content creators. Now let's jump into this video. Today I'm participating in an open invitation collaboration. And the title to this collaboration is the Summer Lantern Decor Challenge. And it is hosted by a wonderful YouTube sister of mine, Kenya, from Kenya's Decor Corner. Now, if you haven't heard of Kenya's channel, I will have a link to her channel along with the playlist down below in the description box when it becomes available. Now, she has simple rules. The standard protocol is to mention her channel in your video, be a subscriber to her channel, and link her channel and the playlist in your description box. And she asks that you decorate a lantern or decorate a space in your home with a lantern for this challenge. And she also asks for you to have fun doing it. So if you're interested in seeing how I decorated my lanterns for this summer challenge, stick around. First, you always start off with a clean slate. So I've taken everything off the table. Now I'm going to clean it down with some of the Method Wood Daily Cleaner. I like this product because I love the smell that it leaves when I clean the wood furniture in my home. So if you're interested in any of the Grove Collaborative products, I have a link down below. I am an affiliate of Grove Collaborative. So if you want to know more about their products, click the link down below and check out the things on their website. here, why don't you give me a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel, and don't forget to click the notification bell. This way you'll be notified each time I upload something new. And never stop exploring. There's always something new on that very last screen. Okay, here's the finished look of my lanterns. So this year you can tell my themes of hydrangeas, blue and the green. So I started off by putting the plate back over with no ribbon on it. I wanted that pop of white. I added the bow ribbons as you've seen on top of each lantern. And those ribbons came from Hobby Lobby. No, from Michaels. Let me get that straight. The blue and polka dot ribbon came from Michaels. The hello sign, it came from Family Dollar. And then the hydrangeas, the blue and the green ones, some I've had them for a while. Some came from the Dollar Tree last year, and the others came from Michaels and Hobby Lobby, all from last year. I got the hydrangeas on clearance, so I've had them for a while. And then the little white porcelain flower plot in the small lantern, that came from Big Lots. It had another flower inside. I took that one out, of course, and put in the hydrangeas. And in the larger lantern, I'm using a clear candlestick holder. And then the white pot that's there, it had flowers in it that my daughter got me for Valentine's Day. So I repurpose. And the flowers again are the blue and the green hydrangeas. The lanterns, I've had them for a while. I bought them from Pier 1 a few years back.